T-shirt business, anybody? If you are looking to learn how to start a Christian t-shirt business, grab your pen and paper because I'm about to walk you through the steps right now. Hey, it's your girl, Steph Rodness, founder and CEO of Godlywood Grow, creator of Godlywood Grow University. And my purpose in life is to connect you with the resources you need to step into your purpose as a faith-based entrepreneur. So, in line with that mission, if you don't yet have my Start Your T-Shirt Business checklist, you can get it for free by clicking the link in the description box below. And if you're ready to learn how to start a Christian t-shirt business, grab your pen and paper, let's dive in. So the very first step for how to start a t-shirt business is to ask the Holy Spirit what kind of entrepreneur He wants you to be. The reason why we have to start with what the Lord put us on this earth to do is because it's very easy to start a t-shirt business nowadays. And I mean like easy. So if you are creating a t-shirt business outside of your God-given purpose, it'll be difficult to sustain that business and keep building it. I did that when I started my ab makeover business, and I just could not sustain it because it's not what God put me on this earth to do. So ask the Holy Spirit, what kind of t-shirt business does He want you to have? Step number 2 for how to start a Christian t-shirt business, do research in your niche. Do research in your niche. What do I mean by your niche, right? Your niche is the specific segment of the population that your t-shirt business is meant to serve. So if you're creating fitness t-shirts, then you're in the fitness niche. If you're doing motivational t-shirts, then you're in the personal development niche, right? Every single niche has their own segment of the population that they're serving. So you want to do research in your niche. And you can do this for free on websites like Etsy, on Amazon. Just search your t-shirt type, right? If it's fitness t-shirt, search fitness t-shirt, and then sort by most popular or best-selling, and you can see what's currently trending right now. Step number 3 for how to start a Christian t-shirt business is to figure out how you're going to stand out from the competition. Now that you've done research to see what's already doing well in your niche right now, I want you to really put on your entrepreneur hat, invite the Holy Spirit into this conversation, and figure out how you can stand out from everybody else. Never, never, never copy somebody else's t-shirt designs. That is illegal. That is ripping off their copyright, and you just don't want to get yourself into that kind of trouble. And it's unethical, so just don't do it. Never rip off somebody else. What you're looking for in your research is how you can stand out from everybody else. So if you're in the fitness niche and you see that a lot of the best-selling t-shirts are black and maybe that they have white text on them, awesome. So you can model that and say, okay, I can do black with white text, but what I can also do is maybe a little sparkle. What I can also do, maybe bedazzle something. You know what I mean? Like, figure out how you can stand out from what everybody else is doing. Step number 4 for how to start a Christian t-shirt business. Now that you know what your niche is, now that you know how you're going to stand out, go ahead and choose your t-shirt printer. Go ahead and choose your t-shirt printer. I recommend using print on demand. Print on demand is basically hiring somebody to print and ship your shirts for you once you've made an order. So really popular print on demand t-shirt businesses include Printful, include Printify. I love using those platforms, but if you do want to create your own t-shirts, nothing against it at all. Just choose how you're going to print out your shirt. Step number 5 for how to start a Christian t-shirt business. Now that you know how you're going to print out your shirt, get the correct design template and design your first shirt. Get the correct design template and design your first shirt. Now, a design template is just basically the pixels, the dimensions that you're designing in. So it could be 10 inches by 10 inches. It could be 1920 by 1080. It could be 1000 by 1000. Whatever print-on-demand business you choose to print your t-shirts, they're gonna have their specific dimensions that they follow. If you're printing at home, your printer itself is gonna have specific dimensions that it follows. But always design after you know the dimensions. You know how sometimes you'll see people have a t-shirt business and the design is squished? It's because they designed first and then stuck the t-shirt on there, and then whoever was printing it had to squish it on. So you always want to design for the dimensions of the shirt, and that's why we pick our method of printing first. Step number 6 for how to start a t-shirt business. Now that you have your design done, go ahead and put it on your t-shirt and list it for sale. If you're using Printful, Printify, one of those print-on-demand websites, this is very simple. You log in, you upload the design, you list it for sale. You can list it for sale on your own website, you can list it for sale on PayPal button, Wix, whatever you want to do is totally up to you. But go ahead and list it for sale. The only way people will be able to purchase this shirt from us is if we tell them that they can actually purchase it. Which takes us to step number 7 for how to start a Christian t-shirt business. Start marketing. Once you have set up your sales platform, you have a way for people people to be able to purchase the shirt from you, you need to go and tell people that that shirt is available. Start your marketing. You can use TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest. Don't use all of them. Choose one lane that you're gonna learn and learn really, really well, and then go all in with your marketing. On average, somebody needs to see the same thing 9 to 12 times before they understand the message, right? So be thinking in terms of, how am I gonna get people to see my t-shirt 9 to 12 times? That's the kind of mindset I want you to approach your marketing in, because then you'll be creating effective marketing campaigns to really get your t-shirt business out there. If you need help doing these steps, make sure you come join my t-shirt business Accelerator. It's my 3-day on-demand class where I already recorded the content. So you literally log in and you watch and you take action, and by the end of the 3 days, you will have your own print-on-demand t-shirt business. And if you're not ready to start your t-shirt business, you just want to keep doing more research, grab my free t-shirt business checklist by clicking the link in the description box below. Don't forget to come join me in Godlywood Girl University by going to godlywoodgirl.tv, and subscribe to the Godlywood Girl YouTube channel for more resources just like this one to help you step into your God-given purpose as a faith-based entrepreneur. God bless you, and Jesus willing, I'll see you in the next video.